Here's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, power windows, dual-zone climate control, power mirrors, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, touring suspension, and remote engine start. Consumer Reports notes overall braking performance was very good. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.